So let us take a look. मार्केट कहाँ खुल रहा है और क्या हो रहा है. ओके, आई एम ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्डिंग. सो वी आर ऑलरेडी ओपनिंग एट 22,780. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो, ये प्री
हाँ
ओपन 9 बजकर अभी 11 मिनट हो गए हैं. प्री ओपन
हाँ
सेशन खत्म हो गया है. वी आर
हाँ।
ऑलरेडी ओपनिंग एट 22,780. 780 समवेयर हियर. रिमेंबर व्हाट आई
बराबर।
सेड इन द यस्टरडेज यूट्यूब
या
वीडियो की बुल्स में अपनी पूरी स्ट्रेंथ दिखाई है यहाँ पर. सो इट इज हाईली लाइकली चांस कि यहाँ से अप मूव, अप ट्रेंड, एक्स वेव, इम्पल्स, करेक्टिव क्या बनेगी वो अपन देख कर बताएंगे.
मैंने आज सुबह भी वापस वो वीडियो देखा जस्ट सो दैट आई एम फ्रेश अगेन। कल तो देखा ही था, आज सुबह भी मैंने देखा अभी जस्ट
वेरी
मॉर्निंग
नाइस.
में, तो आई
मोस्ट
अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर
प्रोबेबली
सेइंग।
यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, एक अप मूव आ रही है,
अब
ये
मूव आ
अपने को
रही है।
समझ में आया. कैसे पता? अगर आप अपने नॉर्मल कैंडल स्टिक देखो, ये काले वाले नहीं, एक नॉर्मल ग्रीन कलर कैंडल स्टिक देखो, ये आपको दिखेगा ये कैंडल में काफी जोरदार बाइंग प्रेशर है.
हाँ ट्रू ट्रू ट्रू।
राइट.
या
और और ये किस दिन बनी है? टाइम साइकिल के दिन, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज.
बराबर।
अगर ये टाइम साइकिल के दिन बनी है, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस.
ओ ओके। मतलब वो सिग्निफाई कर रहा है कि अपन
There is a possibility for the formation of a top or bottom in the market to signify करता है when it is forming on a time cycle, and not just any time cycle day.
हाँ हाँ
Moon
हाँ।
time cycle, lunar time cycle day.
लूना टाइम साइकिल डे उस दिन आपने बोला था वीडियो में भी, उसके आगे वाले वीडियो में भी।
Correct, correct. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add all the call put from one level above and one level below,
हम्म।
or two levels above, two levels below into your watch list,
या
so that
एब्सोल्यूट।
you can always stay prepared based on what is going to happen. Most probably we
हम्म
will only take trades if there is a confirmation of all three aspects. क्या three aspects आप जानते हो, ऑलरेडी अपन क्लास में सीखे हैं. सो अगर तीनों एस्पेक्ट्स का कंफर्मेशन अपने को मिलेगा तो ही अपन ट्रेड लेंगे, वरना देयर विल बी नो ट्रेड. क्योंकि
हम्म।
अपन सिर्फ कंफर्म ट्रेड्स, कंफर्म टारगेट्स, जहां
ऑफ
हाई
कोर्स।
प्रोबेबिलिटी है वहीं पर अपन काम करना प्रेफर करते हैं. वी डू
ऑफ कोर्स।
नॉट वांट टू जस्ट सिट हियर एंड बाय सेल कर रहे हैं बेवकूफ की तरह, जस्ट बिकॉज मार्केट बाय सेल हो रहा है. वुड बी द स्टूपिडेस्ट थिंग इन द
बराबर है बराबर है।
वर्ल्ड. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ट्रेड नहीं है, बट इफ देयर इज, it would be given on the basis of all the three aspects that we look while taking trades, which you already know.
एंड सिंस आई एम स्टिल इन दैट लर्निंग फेज, सो कल एक्सपायरी है तो इन माय केस वी लुक फॉर द 13th अप्रैल एक्सपायरी। करेक्ट।
Yes, and for your case, because you are new, you will look for the next expiry. Correct, brother. But if we are doing live, you can always look in the current week expiry. So I
ऑलराइट।
am sitting, so you
हाँ
can look
हाँ।
in the current week. Also, we will be working on our Hero Zero setup. If you remember
यस
the Hero
आई
Zero
रिमेम्बर।
setup that we have, that we specifically look for Mondays and Tuesdays.
आई नो।
Purely based off of price action, we'll
प्राइस
use that.
एक्शन।
Yeah.
श्योर श्योर। सो
Because
सिंस वी आर।
on this day as well, we got a
हाँ।
trade from here, we got a
या
trade from here, we got a
हाँ
trade from here. So many opportunities, even from
हाँ
here.
yeah. And since we have 20 to 780, so our OI range is basically 20 to 700 to 20 to 800. Correct?
Correct, correct. Take a look. Take a look.
Yeah.
Take a look. I have already fixed it out, made it live, saved it.
Okay, super.
Okay, and market has just opened
Opened,
a
yeah.
level
So,
above and a level below as well. So
yeah.
everything is already put in, and you see we are going down.
Yeah, yeah.
Right? We touched yesterday's high, and
Yeah,
we are going down.
we're going down.
Now, based off of market, like what all things do we look for while we trade? We look at market structure
And we
plus
look at
major
market में,
player
मार्केट में
plus,
कौन बैठा है?
yes, right, plus big player
Big
footprints.
footprint.
Correct? Big
Correct,
players
correct, correct.
footprints and market structure.
Market
These two
structure.
things we combine, and then we get to find the trade. If there is
Absolutely.
an analysis for us, right?
Yeah.
Since there is no big time frame analysis, can't do anything. We'll just be looking at these three things to look for all the possibilities.
Possibilities
At the
outcome.
moment, if I ask you, is the trend bullish or bearish?
Right now, the trend is.
Based off of daily. We did not get a daily breakout and closure, right?
So then it's bearish because if we haven't got
Very
a
good.
breakout.
Very good. Very good. It is still bearish. And do you see we are already going down?
My actual answer was going to be that we can't really say because we haven't got our first OI data.
No, not like that. I'm saying
Yeah.
based off of daily EOD
But based off
analysis.
of daily, yeah, based off of daily, we're bearish.
Yeah, based off of EOD analysis.
Yeah. EOD, yeah. End of day, we're bearish. Yeah.
So now we will be waiting for 2, 3 more minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I believe no action to be taken till 9:20, 9:21, because unless and until
Yes.
that time, we won't
Absolutely.
get any, understanding of what exactly is happening.
True.
या फिर मैं हिंदी में बोलता हूँ, इंग्लिश में would be an issue if you upload it. So I can talk in Hindi as well. तो यहाँ पर अपन क्या देख रहे हैं
Fine.
फिलहाल आप देखो.
दोनों दोनों
We have
ठीक है.
recent
दोनों ठीक है.
okay. We have recently crossed down
Six
700.
700. So 700 का इंडिविजुअल ओआई लगेगा.
700 would be required. 800 we already don't need now because we have already come down.
ओके.
We'll be switching 800 with 600 now,
ओके.
and we have saved it. 600 comes here
हम्म.
because it is on the downside.
हम्म.
700, okay, 700, 600, and the range still remains the same because that is where we opened. You can
हम्म.
already understand what is the range going to show.
Yeah.
You can already understand what is 700 going to show. You can already understand what is 600 going to show because it is the first reading only.
First reading.
Right. If you do not want to use all of these, you can use NSE websites as well. Does
Yeah.
not matter. And you can use Nifty Invest as well. Nifty Invest is also another tool. If this tool, lags or does not give you data on time, you can still use Nifty Invest.
Okay.
So yeah, you see, brother, since the market is still bearish, you see the down move
Down move. Pretty strong.
pretty strong. Like in the first 3, 4 minutes, we are covering 200 points, close to 200 points.
Absolutely bonkers.
Take a look. What is the first data? First data will always show support. Second
Support.
data, support. Why support? Because we opened gap up, we
We
went
open
over
gap up.
here.
Gap up. That's why support. And now we have to
It
wait
will
and
take time.
see
It will take time.
if this is a you know.
Yeah, I understand. I understood. Yeah. So we need to check all of the things and we have to just wait now. We can't do anything.
For the first few readings.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sensational move.
Mm-hmm.
200 points.
Mm-hmm.
Still nothing. 24 we'll get, right? 23, 24. The next print.
21, 22. Yeah.
Hmm. There's a minute lag, roughly.
A minute lag. Yeah. But that minute lag is also nice. Helps you,
Sometimes helps us, yeah.
sometimes helps.
Sometimes helps us.
I've tried Nifty Invest as well. It gives data beforehand, but it changes in between as well.
You don't want that. So in that case, this might be that if it changes, it's actually giving you after the change. Well,
Correct.
it's incorporating any
Minor fluctuations inside there.
post-release changes.
Correct, correct.
Like we have an NFP or anything, the data releases, but if you check it before the next data print, there's always a
Hmm.
change.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
They change the data afterwards.
Correct. Also, do you see the premiums are very high because of the India VIX?
Yeah.
Extremely high. I mean, tomorrow is expiry and still we have, 22,700 put at 236 rupees.
Yeah. I've added 700, 800, and 600 for now.
Mm-hmm. CP both.
Both. CP both.
Now take a look. What has happened? Fluctuation. Data fluctuated, right?
Data created, yeah.
600 still shows that there is support. 700, both of them are now. Range has, the band OI that we have, the zonal OI that we use has shifted.
Hmm.
If the zonal OI now has shifted, most probably if it shifts again, done for the day right here. No trading day. Within first three, four readings, you'll get to know if there is no trading day or not, right? If
You
it
as I
one
just said in the video also yesterday that there is no such analysis as of now, but
correct,
that also depends on how the market opens, where it opens, and what kind of reading we get. If it might have opened a little bit up and we got a pullback, then we would have gotten an entry for a call entry working
correct,
an
correct,
upside target.
correct, correct.
And if it
Absolutely,
have
absolutely
opened downside, so then we already know what our downside targets are. But this
correct, brother.
opened specifically in that no trading range. That
Yeah, no trading range and the data fluctuation happening. Now you see if it goes
uh,
back up now, the data
mm,
would fluctuate again now in this
again,
reading by
yeah,
9:24:25. The
mm.
data would again fluctuate, making it, if you remember the classic scenario of no trading day that we
Scenario
have known.
three,
Yeah,
scenario
scenario
three,
three.
yeah, scenario
Not
three.
even scenario three, it would be mixture of two to
Make,
three scenarios in this scenario, if you see, right?
yeah,
So classic no trading day for option bias. Anyways, like according to time cycle as well, there is nothing significant today. You
true,
know, and after we say no trading day, we'll literally close our laptop.
absolutely,
It,
absolutely.
it is nothing like, oh, market is moving now. Let's go and try to make 10% in call or 10% in put. No,
Nothing doing.
nothing like that. Nothing like
No
that.
trading day.
Because the most important thing is, like I have also told you to today also we'll discuss more in class that the first and foremost job for an option buyer is to look for certain opportunities where the probability is high.
Yeah, absolutely.
What do you find over here? The data still is bearish.
Data still is bearish.
700 is still saying support and resistance both are present. 600 says support is present.
Support is present.
Not very good data, right?
And it's not like it opened so hugely gap that we would be waiting like half an hour to see
Yeah,
also.
nothing of that sort as well. No gap ups, no gap down. You see, at the moment we have a put buy trade, but it is a risky trade. It is
Hmm.
just on the basis of what has happened till now.
Hmm.
But we do not want to engage in it. If you buy a put here, you can square off the put when price reaches here, and you'd be
Absolutely.
done for the day.
Absolutely. Oh, we don't take
Now,
it because the footprint is also not supporting that particular trade.
yeah,
And as you said, it's a risky trade. So if you accept the risk, that's a different story.
correct. It is for those who cannot sit with money in their hands. They are like, कुछ तो चाहिए ही अभी, रुक ही नहीं सकते हैं.
No. I would rather take a A plus setup than take a so setup.
Correct.
वो सीख बहुत बहुत ट्रायल एंड एरर के बाद आई है तो
Hmm.
तो उसको नहीं जाने दे सकते.
True, true.
Even in like other assets also, the thing
Hmm.
is the same. Like if you cannot see an A plus setup, don't
Specifically, when we trade forex, we specifically wait for the trap to happen, brother. Tell
trap
me, like,
happen.
how patient you have to be if you have to wait for everything to
Trap.
happen, price
And
to go beyond your trap.
imagine if the setup is on an M30 or an H1, you have to be supremely patient, supremely
Extremely
patient,
patient.
extremely patient.
And that is why we make money as well, you know. We wait for others to get trapped and then we capitalize and benefit on that opportunity.
Now the fact that our stop losses, our entries are where the general stop losses are, it makes all the difference. So you basically we are not getting stopped out in a stop hunt. It's
Exactly.
I don't know why
We
people
are the
say
stop hunters.
uh,
We
generally
get we enter where they get stop hunt, right?
uh, see even though if the trade would have put entry would have been taken, it's still sluggish. It's not as
Yeah, of course, of course. You see, the
premium would have
premiums would
moved.
increase if the move is
Uh,
fast. I'm pretty sure you might have noticed that by now.
uh, Notice that premium is supremely high today.
You see here, you will book out your profits.
Absolutely.
This would be your put buy,
Entry, yeah.
TP done, and you're done for your intraday. Now you will wait for any other method or any other style of trades that market presents itself. You get my point, brother? Very
Absolutely.
simple and very easy. So you buy a put here, you square it off. Not for us. We only trade the confirmed trades and the where trades where we have bigger analysis. But even if you are just an intraday trader who just wants to gamble on it, you can
Mm.
make money. But I do not recommend anyone to do that.
No, there's no need to do that. Why do that?
Exactly. So we had 22,700. If you take a look, which put buy would you do? Would it 22,700 or 600?
It would be ideally 600 it because the price was where the price was by the time. So about 100 points down from the current price.
Yeah, because you are new, right? Because you are
Yeah,
new.
because I'm new.
Next
Yeah,
week.
because I'm new. Next week. And yeah, next week's expire, which is
I'm not
13th.
talking about current week, brother. Current week 22,700 PE. When this
Ah,
line crosses over here, you
yeah,
book
yeah.
your target here. So
In
you
this
go
live
from,
case scenario,
around
yeah,
250.
yeah,
Yeah, you go from 250 to almost 260, 265. But do you see again the same thing?
Hmm. Not a clean
Not
move as
very.
you'd have expected. Yeah, not a clean move.
So
There
it
is a
goes
move, but
from
then it's like
50 to 265 here.
260, 261 roughly.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, 265, correct.
So that
10% move.
makes it 6% of gain
On your position.
on your invested amount in this trade.
Hmm.
So yeah, that's it. That is all live market is. I mean, what more would you do in live market? Your trade is done. That's it.
You're making 6% of your margin, so there's nothing
Correct.
more to do
So
in
that
that.
concludes our live session, and we are done for the day by 9:30.
We come back
We shall
tomorrow for another
we
session.
come back tomorrow, and now we shall continue with our learning and making sure that you
Sure,
get good at doing all of this again and again.
sure.
Okay.
All right.
So that's it. I'll stop the sharing now.